In this lesson, we will learn how to use a loop with array. If we know the content of an array beforehand, we can declare, create and initialize an array in one single line. In this example, we declare, create and initialize an integer array with 5 integers. And the 5 integers are 4, 5, 2, 5, and 4. To access an item in the array, we use the index of the array. We can only use the index from 0 to array size -1. If we use an index that is beyond array size -1, the program will throw array index out of bound exception. In this example, the array size is 3. So the maximum index is 2. If we use an index 3 to access the array item, it will throw array index out of bound exception. We can use the length property of an array to get the size of an array. To access the array length property, use .length after the array name. In this example, the array size is 5. When we print num.length, it will print 5. Practice time. Pause the video and test this example. Change the array size by adding in more item. We can use .length to avoid array index out of bound exception. In this example, the array size is 5. The first loop will loop 5 times to get the number from keyboard and initialize the array. And the second loop will loop 5 times to print the content of the array. However, if we change the array size to 3, and did not change the number of times to loop in both loops, the program will run into array index out of bound exception. Practice time. Pause the video and test this example. To avoid the previous exception, use .length instead of hard coding the number of times to loop. Practice time. Pause the video and test this example. Modify the previous code by changing 5 to .length.